For Leo zodiac sign, debilitated Jupiter moves to the 6th house of your sign. Jupiter moves through the 6th house in the opposition to the 12th house and has an eye over the 2nd house. Jupiter moving through the 6th house has aspect over the 10th house. The 10th house is about occupation and profession. Viewing this aspect of Jupiter over the 10th and 2nd house indicates progressive time on work front and gain satisfactorily. From the career and business perspective, this can lead to kind of challenging time for career oriented and business person as well. Career oriented if looking for change, this movement of major planets seem to support your cause. You get new job with encouraging higher growth prospects and better remuneration. Business person remains concerned about stiff competition. Business person needs to lower margin to score over competitors and maintain market share. Make success your goal and get your consultation on Jupiter Transit Report. Please book for the Jupiter Transit Report consultation. The link is mentioned in the description section. I can able to help you to get your analysis for career and business front. With regards to finances, you will be able to increase inflow of money here. Gain here further adds some strength to your position on financial front. You may spend money on some religious ceremony to boost your prospects. Plan your finances with long term in view and save for rainy days. You remain in a comfortable position on financial front. Get steep growth in finances and become prosperous in your life. If at all you want more analysis on the finance front, please book for the astrology consultation with regards to Jupiter Transit Report. The link is mentioned in the description section so that I can able to help you with the analysis. The issue related to digestion can concern you. In view of this, avoid heavy dinner late night to keep digestive system in order. Besides, doing some light exercise in morning suitable to you works well to remain fit for the day. No major health issue troubles you here. You enjoy good general health condition for most of the times. From the personal life perspective, in personal life, you remain at unease due to some issue or other. You need to keep your cool, avoid conflict and keep off from controversy. Indulge in some outdoor activity to calm the nerves and you are at ease in your personal life. So if at all you need more information, more analysis on the personal life trend, please book for astrology consultation for the Jupiter Transit Report. The link is mentioned in the description section so that I can help you with the analysis.